Hi! So, I've shown you guys a lot of stuff kind of about my store on my personal page, so I thought it would be fun today to show you guys kind of the process of getting new inventory into the store. I have 2 packages today. This one's a little hefty. Step 1, unboxing. What's it gonna be? I mean, obviously I know what it's gonna be because I ordered it. First, this cute little one-shoulder top. Next, oh my gosh, it's a coat. This tape is bulletproof. I'm so excited for this order. Comfy, cozy. But wait for it because there's matching joggers. You are yanking my chain right now. You guys. It's the loungewear for me. This looks cozy. Gosh, I'm obsessed. So now that we have made a big huge mess and pulled everything out of the box, we are going to print tags and tag everything, which takes some time. Now we have tags done for everything, so we're gonna put everything on hangers and get it tagged. This is taking 5 ever. Now all that is left to do is get everything taken into the back and steamed and ready for tonight's live sale. Before we launch new items on our website every Thursday, they do appear in our live sale on Tuesday nights where we do a live try on and you can buy straight through our Facebook Live. So if you are interested in any of the pieces that I showed you, we'll be doing live try on and sale tonight at 8 Central Standard Time. So join us over there.